Salute to Sifuna, Orengo and Babu Owino for reminding us what opposition should look like. Wamchomba. Sifuna, known for his sharp arguments, has consistently pushed back against policies he believes harm ordinary citizens. His speeches in parliament and public forums reminds Kenyan that opposition is about accountability, not noise. Orengo, a veteran in politics, has long been a symbol of reliance. His history of fighting for justice shows that opposition can be principled even when the cost is high. Babu Owino, though young. Wamchomba's recognition of these leaders is important. It tells us that even those outside their camp see value in strong position. In a country where political loyalty often overshadows truth, this salute challenges all leaders to rise above party lines and defends the public interest. Opposition is not about hatred or obstruction. It is about balance. Without it, government risks becoming unchecked and citizens unheard. Sifuna Orengo and Babu Owino remind us that democracy needs voices that question, resist, and demand better. That is the true spirit of opposition. EBK Online Updates News. Subscribe for more information.